legs have grown too tired and the road has grown too steep, when the weight of all your living is too heavy now to keep, you don't have to walk it by yourself. You don't have to be strong. Just lean on me, a little love, and I will help you on. For you carried me when I was small and frightened of the dark. You were always there to steady me and gently light the spark. So now it is my turn to give the love you gave to me, and to hold you through the evening as you once did hold me. And I will carry you home all the way. You're not alone. Through the long and fading light, I will carry you home tonight. So put your weary head down, love, and let your worries cease. Let me wrap you in the quiet of a deep and gentle peace. For the road that lies before us isn't one you walk alone. And as long as I am living, I will carry you home. And I will carry you home all the way. You're not alone. Through the long and fading light, I will carry you home tonight. Through every season, every year, whenever you need me, I'll be near. And I will carry you home all the way. You're not alone. Through the long and fading light, I will carry you home tonight. Yes, I will carry you home, and you will never walk alone. There's a light inside you, gentle, that the years could never dim, though at times you may have lost it in the dark and at the rim. It was there when you were laughing, it was there through all your tears, a quiet, steady candle that has burned through all the years. And the world may try to tell you that your light is growing old, that your story's nearly written and your best has all been told. But the glow you carry in you only deepens and grows warm, like a hearth that keeps on giving through the longest winter storm. So let it shine, the light within you. Let it warm the ones you love. For the gift you've always carried is is the truest kind of gold. For the ones who really know you do not see your silver hair. They see the soul that loved them and was always, always there. And the light that you've been giving all the gentle years you've known will go living on within them, and they'll carry it